Hey culinary adventurers, get ready to discover the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen game changer that makes healthy, delicious meals easier than ever. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a 9-in-1 marvel, combining a slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and more into one sleek appliance. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still being able to whip up virtually any dish, from savory stews to homemade yogurt. With 15 smart, customizable programs for ribs, soup, beans, rice, and even cake, perfect meals are genuinely just a button press away. And let's talk durability. The premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures consistent, healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every single time. What truly makes the Duo Plus special is its intelligent technology, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes and simplifying your cooking routine. If you're asking, should I buy an Instant Pot? Or searching for the best kitchen upgrade of 2025, this model solves countless cooking challenges. Ready to transform your kitchen? Find the Instant Pot Duo Plus and elevate your cooking by clicking the Amazon link right in the description below. It's an indispensable tool that saves you time, counter space, and opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Make your daily cooking experience exciting and effortless. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have for every modern kitchen.